Yes, sir.
All right, I got a buddy of mine. He's been staying with me, and he had left my house, and he had had a couple of drinks. He was heading to his mom's house on a certain road, and he ended up in a head-on collision. Well, he was heading, like I said, to his mom's house. Well, the police or the state troopers said that he was the fault of the accident because he was going in the wrong direction, but I know where he was heading, and the other car was involved on the same side, and they're trying to say it was his fault, but I'm trying to find out what he needs to do because the state troopers have came by my house a couple of times, and he hadn't been there. He's been at work, and they're trying to say now it's assault.
Right.
But because he did have a couple of drinks, but they did, I looked at the report because I am an ex-police officer, and it shows that they did a drug and alcohol test on him, but did not do it on the other woman.
Right.
Okay. Well, Kirby, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about just hearing a little bits and pieces of this situation. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I tell you, Michael, your friend is in a very difficult situation. He really needs to contact a lawyer, and he needs to do that immediately. Let me tell you a little bit about what's going on there. If he is drinking and driving, and if the other person is injured, and he is found to be at fault, then he's going to be open to punitive damages for consuming alcohol and operating a car. So he needs to get to a lawyer quickly. Now, what the police do in an accident is they give their best judgment of how an accident happens, but that doesn't mean that that's necessarily what went on. In fact, a police report, surprisingly to a lot of people, is not even admissible at court. So he needs to get to a lawyer who can take a look at, and there's experts we can hire to look at the accident scene to determine how it happened. And while most of the time the police officers and state troopers do have it exactly right, it's been my experience that occasionally it is not, and we've had those cases, and we've been successful with it before. So he does need to get to a lawyer, but he needs to do so quickly.
Okay. Sharon.